Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an A54 5G from Oppo. This one's got a cracked display and we're here to fix it. So let's go. So here we have the broken smartphone. We're going to remove the SIM card tray so we can detach the back cover and the frame of the device. The SIM card tray will be in the way when we pull out the frame on this smartphone, so it's better to move it out the way at this stage of the repair. Make it easier for us later on. You remove the back cover. I'm gonna spray some alcohol to soften the adhesive. The back cover is plastic, so it's very malleable, very soft, cannot break, which is kind of amazing for a plastic back cover. I'm gonna remove the screws on the frame itself. So unlike premium devices, this one's also got a plastic frame, which is kind of bendable to some extent. And we have to detach it by removing it from its clips on all sides, and we remove the fingerprint scanner cable attached to the main board. We detach the battery, put it back, detach the display connector, and pull out our replacement display. We attach it on this connector right here so we can test if our replacement display is working, which is good at this point. Showing us the Color OS. Color OS is the operating system of Oppo smartphones based on Android. The smartphone is still initializing, so you can see a little bit of lag. It's not a problem with the display we attached here, but on the software itself. Sometimes the devices that we have here in the shop are not charged for a very long time, so we often encounter smartphones that are low in battery. So when we turn it on, it's on power saving mode, so you can see some jitters. So it's good to go now. We remove the replacement display unit. We remove the battery, because the flex cable for the display is underneath it. So we peel off this plastic adhesive for the battery. We'll still reuse that later, so we're not gonna peel it off entirely. Peel off the display connector, and we are now free to remove the cracked display like what we did with the back cover. So we have to peel it off. The adhesive is not that strong on this one. So yeah, if you want to DIY this repair, you can certainly do so. It's quite easy to disassemble the device. It's mainly made up of plastic, so nothing to worry about bending any metal components that are premium. You can also source your display if you want from reputable sources, of course. But if you don't have experience fixing smartphones like this one, you can certainly go to a pro technician like David. Go to a repair service center. If your smartphone is still under warranty, you go to Oppo themselves. But if you want to try out a DIY approach, this is a good starting point. But if you don't have the tools, you don't have the patience to do this exact thing that we're doing here, this is not really a guide, the official guide for fixing your Oppo A54 5G. It's just how we do it in the shop. So it's kind of a showcasing what we can offer our clients. So this is an actual repair that we did for a customer. So if you're interested, you can subscribe to our channel. We have fixed lots of devices like this one. So if you're interested, you want to be self-sufficient, you can watch our previous videos and learn something. So this one is almost done. The only thing that we're gonna do now is put back all the screws on the back, of course. Make sure they are on the right places. So all the screws are in here. And the back cover, of course, we're gonna put it back. It's all scratched up, but it's still gonna be usable. It's still on. There you go. So this one is good to go. We're just gonna be cleaning this up because some liquid adhesive residue is all over the display. I'm gonna put it on the charger, so when the customer comes back, they have a fully working smartphone with a topped-up battery. I'm gonna clean this messy front display, wipe it off while the adhesive is still not fully cured. There you go. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, if you have any recommendations on what we can fix in the future, leave them down below. If you have any suggestions on how we should fix specific models of smartphones that you can see in our channel, don't hesitate to give us the tip so we can further improve our service. I'm gonna throw in this free tempered glass. It's not really for the A54, but it's close to size, so I'm just gonna put it in, and we'll finally say goodbye to the internal components. We're gonna close this up. The back cover goes right back in. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. You like and subscribe, give us a comment, follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well, because we're on those platforms. And just like what I've said, the back cover can also need a little spruce up, but you can use a phone case on that one, and then you'll not be able to see that damage ever again. We'll show you the before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.